Yeah, he's put both on.
Oh shit.
Stop.
Fucked and drank all night. Acted all alright. Had no need to fight. Tonight.
Let me tell you guys, these things hook nice. I didn't think they were gonna hook, but the Mickeys hook pretty nice. I did some test pulls last night. I tell you, this thing hooks and books, that's for sure. Like I can hook in first gear, which is crazy. I didn't think these tires were gonna hook that well, but the compound's really soft, so it makes sense. I remember the Hoosiers, they really hooked because they were so soft. But yeah, we got these on and we're about to pull up to school and we have to drop the top today.
Oh, look at this guy. Only drop top person. Yeah. Hold on, let me get the angle. Go for it. This guy.
A-Ramp stopped and drags it.
He's gonna be taking out motherfuckers in these.
I leave my car for 2 minutes in and out, and I'm covered in leaves now. That fit window's nice. Look at that. What the hell? Show it off. The Honda gang right there. Am I tripping or I smell clutch?
It blew my pants. I thought that in my body, you feel me? It's like a
Hey, felt that my chest, bro.
For your fucking wideband, did they cut another bung?
No, there's like a stock one on the long tubes. Cause it's
really?
like, yeah, on the long tube headers, it comes with like an open one. So you just plug it right in.
How do you shoot the flames from the watt box?
Yeah, the watt box. You gotta get one.
I gotta get rid of the cabs first, though.
Yeah. Play it safe for sure.
One's fucking bolted on, the other one.
Let's see if he answers. Oh, what the hell? Probably taking a shit.
Steven's car sounds like that.
Damn. Wow. I'm gonna need a cameraman.
You need a cameraman.
Yeah, just from another. For real though. Check it all out.
That's actually fast.
Yeah, he's put both on.
Oh shit.
Stop.
I was young.
I was on right there.
That was the other one. Believe me though. Stop. That's just fully stop.
I don't.
Call him, boy.
No, it's just not. Is it yours? Yours? Okay, cool. How much power you think? Just stock or 426? That's how much you make?
Yeah.
Cool.
We'll probably do 90.
Oh, okay. What about the 5.0?
Right here, bro.
Oh shit. Well, what's the end of the 5.0? Oh shit. Okay, bone stock. Okay.
Everyone.
10 speed though, right?
What the fuck is he doing? What?
This man's taking a piss. What other cars have you ran?
Oh yeah, I get it.
392s, full
Shit.
bolt on Camaro.
Yeah. No, I know the 10 speeds are quick.
Yeah, they get
No doubt.
You gotta do like 1320, like put the horsepower.
1320 on the screen.
FBO Mustang 10
Yeah.
speed.
The twins?
Oh shit.
I was like, one's wearing red and one's fucking
I'm weak.
I know.
That's hella funny.
I was like, I thought I was
You gotta get confident out here with the fucking aim.
We hit
Someone asked him to
140
pop the hood. He said it's stock.
He won't.
Oh, well then it's not stock.
We ran the alpha stock injector.
Done is 65.
You're about to today, boy. Who's running out of all of you? Who's gonna run? You running?
Yeah.
I'm the people hauler.
I'm slow.
We all know this nigga's quick.
Yeah, I'll start off with me and him.
You want the 5-0?
Oh yeah, I'll go against him.
Yeah, you want to give me
Alright, for that.
I got 45.
You want a 45?
Then another small
Load him in me,
Yeah.
and then we'll hit the 65.
Yeah, just do both.
Yeah, we'll do both. We'll get yours out.
Full clutch or what?
No, it's
Shit.
it's the Aston Martin.
Damn. It's just quick.
Well, Frankie took him. Shit. I don't know.
Who won? Did they pull on you?
But he said that he would, but it was close.
Damn.
We need to go, dude. This is cheap.
Yeah. Yeah, I had to be fresh.
Oh, shit.
What was the outcome? Was it close or what?
Yeah.
Low-key?
I think the 65, you actually had more power than me, boy, and you were underestimating your power, boy.
Damn.
Shit was harder than the 45. 45, I felt like I was closer. The 65, it started walking me, to be honest.
I think I spin a little on 45.
You got sideways. Oh, you
Yo, yeah, you got hella sideways.
Oh, I know. I thought I put the traction back on when I popped
Is
out.
it manual or automatic? Manual.
Shit. Well,
6-speed?
Yeah. Something about SRT.
Does not think it's fucking possible. I'm gonna make it a little lap right there.
Gonna slap some eBay.
Is it automatic? What are you gonna do about the automatic transmission?
Probably get that shit switched to manual.
he's gonna send it. Right? You're gonna send it, right? For the boys?
Right into the wall.
Right through it.
I'm gonna put enough boost on it to blow that motor up.
You don't need much.
You don't?
No.
You only need 200, more than 200 boost, and that motor's
You're sending 200.
it's all stuff. 200.
I don't know.
Holy shit.
200 pounds! Oh my god!
That's more.
Aftermarket?
Yeah.
Well, that's why it makes all those sounds.
Yeah.
Sounds good though. God damn. Sid taking some pictures on the camera. How they turning out? How they turning out?
Come here. Okay.
Damn, those are clean. Damn, those shits are wet. And they're not even edited, right? Damn. Big shout out to Mr. Sid right here.
Oh, those ones are too dark.